the eDocs collaboration feature, you can make your documents instantly accessible for other eDoc users on your server. Simply select the chosen files for collaboration by ticking the tick boxes to the left of the file names before clicking the Collaborate button in the top bar. From here, you can select the eDoc groups or users who will have access to the collaboration, before then selecting the permissions in regard to editing, download, and also deletion. Once your collaboration setting is complete, click the blue OK button. We can now log in to the chosen collaboration user's account, where the shared document access can now be found from the Public Files tab, and the notification will inform of this collaboration invite.